Most small business owners get expense tracking completely wrong. They either ignore it until tax season, or rely on messy spreadsheets that break when things get busy. Here's the truth no one tells you. If you don't track expenses properly, you're not losing time, you're losing real money every single month. In this video, you'll learn the best expense tracking apps for small businesses in 2026, how they actually work in real situations, and which one fits your business style so you can finally stay organized and profitable. Let's break it down simply. Expense tracking apps help you record every business cost automatically or semi-automatically. Think of someone like John, who runs a small delivery business. Without tracking, he forgets fuel costs, misses receipts, and has no idea where profits disappear. With the right app, every expense is logged instantly and categorized for taxes and budgeting. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all apps are built the same. Some are designed for automation. Others focus on simplicity. And some are built for accounting integration. Starting with QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most complete solutions. It connects bank accounts, tracks expenses automatically, and works perfectly if you already use accounting tools. But here's the problem. It can feel expensive and slightly overwhelming for beginners. Next is Expensify. This app is great for scanning receipts. You just take a photo, and it automatically records the expense. Imagine Alex, a freelance designer, snapping receipts from coffee shops and client meetings. Everything gets organized instantly. It saves time, but advanced accounting features are limited. Now let's talk about Zoho Expense. This one is very popular for small businesses that want strong features without high cost. It tracks mileage, receipts, and employee expenses. It works well if you already use other Zoho tools. But setup can take a bit of time. FreshBooks is another strong option. It combines expense tracking with invoicing. So if you're a freelancer or service-based business, it keeps everything in one place. The downside is it becomes less flexible as your business grows larger. Wave is the best free option. Yes, completely free for basic expense tracking. It's perfect for beginners or very small businesses. But here's the catch. Advanced features like automation and scaling tools are limited. So, how do you choose? If you want full accounting power, go with QuickBooks. If you want fast receipt tracking, go Expensify. If you want balanced features, Zoho Expense is the middle ground. If you want simple invoicing plus expenses, FreshBooks works best. And if you want free, start with Wave. Here's the real takeaway. The best expense app is not the most advanced one. It's the one you actually use every day without skipping. If this helped you understand expense tracking clearly, like the video, comment what business you run, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you manage and grow your money smarter.